Hi, I'm Conrad Mast. I serve as the Installation Support Manager here at ProVia. And today we're in our installer training lab and we want to take a look at our casement window. And occasionally we have requests for a service issue where the frame is in square and true, everything's good, but the sash just isn't setting quite correctly in that frame. I want to show you an adjustment that you can make that would help to do that. You take a wrench, a flat wrench, a 7/16, and you would slide it onto the cam stud located on the hinge track at the bottom, and you can rotate that cam stud either to the right to draw the sash to the right, or you can take it to the left to draw the bottom of the sash to the left. This is also true at the top. The same adjustment can be made at the top, to the right, to take to the top sash to the right, or to the left. If you don't have a flat wrench like this, you can also use a standard 7/16 end wrench or even a pliers. But what you'll need to do is remove the support arm from the bottom by just placing a screwdriver or a flat wrench like this underneath, popping this loose and moving that away, and then you can get to that cam stud to make the adjustment. And then you would just need to take it back in, snap it back in place, and you're ready to go. This should help you just mainly for tweaking. It's not really meant for installing, but if you need to tweak the sash within that frame, this would help you to do that. So if you need any more information, please feel free to visit ProVia.com.